This 2025 Grand Design Reflection 324 MBS is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Sanger, Texas, 76266 and is offered for sale by McClain's Longhorn RV. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Grand Design is 37 feet 0 inches in length and features Sleep 6, external shower, stovetop burner, leveling jacks, carbon monoxide detector, smoke detector, air conditioning, awning, water heater, spare tire kit, microwave, and 74 gallons fresh water capacity. The unloaded weight of this 2025 Grand Design Reflection 324 MBS is 10,864 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.